Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a Beats headphone, and this headphone is one side working and one side not working. This side working, but this side no sound. So guys, I have to bring this two speaker from AliExpress. So now I will transfer this speaker one side and I will check it's working or not working. So first you have to remove this, and here is the star screwdriver you need, and there is few screw. You have to remove this screw. Okay, you can find that speaker in the AliExpress, Amazon. Just put the model number and put speaker name, and you can see the speaker there. So here is the speaker. See, so now we need a iron solder. Okay, to disconnect this cable. Guys, now I connect this wire first. Check this wire is problem or the speaker is damaged. So I connect the wire. And now I will play and check. It also not working. I think the problem is wire. See, no sound also. So the speaker is good, maybe the wire problem. So I have to open another side and check. So return connection. Speaker, how do you know the speaker is working? I put in the buzz mode and connect here. Speaker is good. So now I return back connection and check another side, maybe the wire connection is problem. Okay, return back this all the screw. And I open that other side. Okay guys, I open this side also, and here is 3 screw. I remove this 3 screw. Here is the connection. Guys, this speaker here is also good. Now I will open this and check under the connection have loose or have any problem. So for this you need a steel like this. Here is some lock, you have to unlock this. Okay guys, I have to open all the side, but I do not get the problem. I think this problem is cable, the wire connection from this side to that side. So now I return back the clips. Okay, so guys, now I will test the cable is working perfectly or not working. So here is the red one. This one cable, no connection. The red one, this red one is no connection. So if I connect this red one with that cable, I think it will be work. Guys, I just connect the red wire, it's now working to speaker. See, now working to speaker. Just this wire from inside this speaker have damage, so it is very hard to replace the wire. Open all this body to change the wire. So sometime have problem, maybe speaker damage, but this time problem is one wire is not working. So guys, this headphone need to change wire, and it's very hard to change the wire, so I can't fix it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Sometime have wire the disconnect and not working, so this time is wire is disconnect from wire, I do not find it, so I can fix. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon for next video notification.